Pour commencer la vidéo, j'aimerais vous montrer le travail de Sébastien, notre charpentier. C'est un métier que je ne connais pas du fait de mon vertige et j'ai profité de notre fenêtre qui donne sur le toit pour les observer et en apprendre davantage. Voici les images et les choses que j'en ai retenues. Lors du dernier épisode, Seb avait fini en posant l'écran sous toiture. L'écran sous toiture, c'est une membrane qui permet de faire l'étanchéité de notre toit. Si les tuiles bougent ou fissurent, l'eau ne peut pas rentrer grâce à ça. Il faut s'assurer qu'il soit bien posé pour une complète étanchéité.
Then we started walking the streets and then we stopped for a while and you said you wanna kiss me. I remember thinking, is this really happening? I never thought I'd meet someone so beautiful. I couldn't quite believe it, it was magical. Just kissing under streetlights on our way back home. Our way back home, our way back home. I said you can do what you want to with me, yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I'm falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I'm falling for ya. Falling for ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene.
On fait fondre la baguette de zinc, puis place à la soudure. Pour une soudure verticale, il vaut mieux commencer par mettre une pointe de soudure au milieu avant de vouloir faire le haut pour éviter de plier le zinc en soudant et ensuite galérer.
I wanna hold ya.
Je leur dis aussi un énorme merci car ils ont cassé la dalle de la cheminée et m'ont aidé à évacuer les gravats. Là, je me rends bien compte que je vais être obligée de casser plusieurs couches au perfo.
mami, así me gusta sofocar. 7 copas, una juca tequila. Sal y perrear. No te...
En cassant la première tranchée, on se rend compte qu'il y a une dalle de béton plus enfouie qui s'arrête pile à la fin de notre tranchée. On décide donc de refaire une tranchée à côté pour ne pas avoir à la casser et gratter directement la terre. On est en train de décider où les clims iront pour pouvoir les mettre en attente avec assez de longueur. Nous nous sommes concentrés sur la partie cuisine, chambre et salle de bain pour la rénovation, mais le bureau, la chambre d'amis et le salon auront la clim et il est essentiel de passer toutes les liaisons frigorifiques avant de plaquer la totalité du plafond. On a condamné l'escalier avec 2 bastings et une planche d'OSB pour travailler en toute sécurité. À ce moment-là, Seb m'a appelé pour venir récupérer son matos, en l'occurrence son pare-feu. Donc je m'empresse de finir avec pour ne pas galérer avec le mien qui est plus petit.
Oh, ma belle Bertha.
Vai rodando na quadrilha, já soltamos o balão, vinho que te compartilha, pra aquecer o coração. Vai rodando na quadrilha, já soltamos o balão, vinho que te compartilha, pra aquecer o coração. Só baixa a ponta na sanfona, sertanejoando, todos esperando São João. Tem a lua cheia nessa noite iluminada, se passou um dominguinho com Zagão. Só baixa a ponta na sanfona, sertanejoando, todos esperando São João. Tem a lua cheia nessa noite iluminada, se passando dominguinho com Zagão. Vai rodando na quadrilha, já soltamos o balão, vinho que te compartilha, pra aquecer o coração. Olha a fogueira no arraial, viu? Dança agora o meu São João. Tem quadrilha.
Et puis, comme j'étais bloquée au chantier et sans batterie, en attendant qu'Enzo vienne me chercher, je me suis attaquée à casser les carreaux de la buanderie.
quadrilha pra dançar, viu? Tem nada não. Vai rodando na quadrilha, já soltamos o balão. Vinho quente compartilha pra aquecer o coração. Vai rodando na quadrilha, já soltamos o balão. Vinho quente compartilha pra aquecer o coração. Solta a chapota, sanfona, sertanejo, ano todos esperando São João. Tem a lua cheia nessa noite iluminando a celebração do menino Zagão. Solta a chapota, sanfona, sertanejo, ano todos esperando São João. Tem a lua cheia nessa noite iluminando a celebração do menino Zagão. Vai rodando na quadrilha, já soltamos o balão. Vinho quente compartilha pra aquecer o coração. Olha a fogueira na raia, viu? Desce agora o meu São João. Tem quadrilha pra dançar, viu? Tem nada não, tem nada não, tem nada não, tem nada não.
Pour vous expliquer un peu, je mets une première couche de map pour avoir un mur à peu près lisse et le préparer à ce qui va arriver le lendemain.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell you, mama.
C'est lui qui m'a appris tout ce que je sais du bâtiment. Plombier de profession de base, il est venu nous aider pour ça. La tranchée nous sert à tirer la nouvelle arrivée d'eau d'un diamètre de 25, qui résoudra nos problèmes de pression avec l'ancienne plomberie. Le programme du jour, raccorder la nouvelle arrivée d'eau aux nourrices et installer le cumulus.
I'm gonna tell you that I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me. Oh, I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop.
Je viens de mettre l'eau chaude, l'eau froide et l'eau mitigée.
Hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind.
Là, eau chaude, eau froide, eau mitigée.
Ok.
Là, ok. Donc là tu fais ça comme ça. Là tu fais un thé de ton eau froide
Ouais,
et je scotche.
d'accord.
Ok. Et ton eau mitigée qui va aller.
Ok, ça marche.
Ok. Donc ici ce que je vais faire, comme tu m'as pas pris le bouchon, je vais mettre un mamelon
Ouais,
et un bouchon femelle.
ok.
Ok.
Je vais te chercher le
Le
mamelon.
mamelon est là-bas.
You did. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah.
À un moment donné, je vais devoir te péter les chiottes.
Putain, tu vois, j'en étais sûre. J'ai dit à Enzo, je suis sûre que Davy ira chier à un moment ou à un autre et qu'on ne pourra plus travailler. Il n'y a pas de porte, Davy. Tu comprends? Oui, mais l'odeur, elle va être open space aussi. Si, si.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that.
On a été obligé de démonter le coude, le visser, puis ensuite le revisser à la nourrice en galérant, Donc un conseil, achetez tous vos raccords avec des écrous libres et en plus c'est démontable.
Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar. I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no,
Et on continue. Le réducteur de pression.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. I believe in you. You got it. I know you got this. You got it. Just keep on trying. You got it. There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah.
Allez, Boubou, à toi.
C'est un clap de fin de journée. Regardez la belle tranchée, qui n'est plus une tranchée.
Faut que tu parles, Anne.
Hein?
Faut que tu parles.
Oh, je suis fatiguée là. Hein?
C'est un clap de fin de chantier plus fort.
C'est un clap de fin de journée.
Et qu'est-ce qu'on fait de même?
Demain, on plaque le plafond. Et on dalle la buanderie. Ça n'a pas de français.
Fatigue un peu.
Ouais. Voilà, j'ai hâte de rentrer et dormir.
Pas manger, pas rien, dormir.
Make it, yeah, we can make it if we try.
Look, seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside. Slide around the city with my day one. I ain't gotta worry cause they A1. Wasn't in the field then you can't come with us. My little shawty going stupid, going straight dumb. With us I'm a big time, still humble in the hood. Gotta keep it positive on nothing but the good. When I'm on vacation I be stunting like I should. Got a real queen falling, she gon' stumble on the wood. And I still be doing business with my brother down. And I know that if I got it I'ma cover them. And I know that if I need it they gon' give it back. Gotta practice what you preaching, I be living that. Taking trips round the globe,
Petite batterie pleine.
Ah là,
Je vais vous faire de l'ASMR.
a photo with my granny for the memories. And if it's for a good cause,
déjà là il y a un souci, t'as pas coupé au bon
seem
endroit.
like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.
Ah, vous savez, quand on est un chef de chantier, on est obligé de tout savoir et de donner des instructions à des gens qui n'ont pas envie de travailler.
Baby girl eating veggies, doing yoga at the crib. Swimming in the winter, don't get colder where I live. Still the same number, if you got it, you can hit me. Pull up to the park, I'ma match you on a sticky. I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't gotta be. 100 bands up, shopping at the Dollar Tree. Never been a type that gotta act, gotta lie. I just go and get the bread and bring it back to the tribe. Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside. I'm feeling happy, and moments ago I was only empty. What did you slip me? My heart is racing and I'm getting dizzy. There must be some complication.
L'outil que j'utilise, c'est une fausse équerre. Elle permet d'avoir le bon angle d'un mur qui n'est pas à 90 degrés et venir le reporter sur sa plaque de placo directement.
She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. And I want you now, just shut your mouth and kiss me. It can get lonely, swiping left and right to meet somebody. And they won't get to know me, but that's okay. In retrospect, I do it over and over, cause that's just how we met. There must be some complicated after effect to this. Will I wake up in your bed and regret everything I did? Like a hangover, but leave me needing one more fix. She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice. We're way past second guessing. And I want you now. Yeah, shut your mouth and kiss me in the parking lot, in the backseat. Don't dare to stop now. Just close your eyes and kiss me like you mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, shut your mouth and
Enfin!
midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice. We're way past second guessing. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you like I mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you in the backseat, on the highway, in the taxi home. Just shut your mouth and kiss me, kiss me.
On vous remercie d'avoir regardé la vidéo jusqu'au bout. N'hésitez pas à la partager, à liker et à commenter. De notre côté, on se retrouve avec la prochaine vidéo et il ne nous reste plus que 3 semaines pour emménager.